most popular shape for mac and cheese noodles is elbow. The second most popular shape is SpongeBob SquarePants.
Who lives in a pineapple under the sea?
SpongeBob SquarePants! Here's how you make mac and cheese. Step 1. Open the package. Step 2. Take the mac and cheese pack out. Step 2. Pour the water in to the fill line. Step 4. Put the mac and cheese in the microwave for 3 minutes and 30 seconds. Step 6. Put the mac and cheese in. And then just stir it up. Then you enjoy.